this amazing stair climbing that I got. It's a great product, super well made, super easy to use it. I love it. And it comes with 3 wheels, like you see, each side, and it's made of rubber. Is 4 inches, so it's great. It's not gonna scratch your floor or your stairs, so don't be afraid. And it comes also with this nice plate, super well made. It's made of steel. Is 0.07 inch, so you can put a lot of stuff here, and not gonna break or bend. And this is foldable design, so when you're done, you just put like this, like that, and put under the bed or even on your garage. You're gonna save you a lot of storage. And it comes with this handle. It's an adjustable handle. It goes to 29 to 42 inches. You just need to press here, and that's it. And you're ready to work. And it's super light. It's just 8.6 pounds, so super light. And that's it. Super well made. It's great for floors or even stairs. Like I said before, not gonna scratch your floor. So that's why I recommend it. I hope you guys like it. Bye.